everything about the Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus. Reportedly, there are going to be two notes, the Galaxy Note 10 and the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Right away you can see this is a more squared off design as opposed to the S10's rounder one, and the display is massive due to a bigger and fuller front panel. Fun fact, the Note 10 is Samsung's largest mobile ever released, excluding the Samsung Galaxy Fold, which is in a category of its own. Both will feature Samsung's Infinity O display with a punch hole camera right at the centre, and both are rumoured to have 5G. The Note 10 and Note 10 Plus are also Samsung's first flagships that are rumoured to get rid of the headphone jack because of this image leaked by Samsung itself. If this is true, a new S Pen with new features including motion gestures is also rumoured, allowing the user to control the phone by simply moving it. Moving on to the camera. There is a 10 megapixel front facing camera and there is a triple camera setup at the back. 3 lenses which consist of a 12 megapixel lens adjusting to f1.5 to f2.4, a 16 megapixel f2.2 ultra-wide lens and a 12 megapixel f2.1 telephoto lens. Both may seem similar, but there are key differences. Quick summary is here as follows. The battery on the Note 10 is 3500 mAh as opposed to the enormous 4300 mAh on the Note 10 Plus. The Note 10 sports a 12 watt wireless charging, whereas the Note 10 Plus has 20 watts and goes up to a super fast 45 watts with USB-C charging. Note 10 has 8GB RAM, whereas again the Note 10 Plus has a higher 12GB RAM. And finally, the Note 10 has 256GB internal storage with no memory card slot, where the Note 10 Plus has the same storage but also a memory card slot. That rounds up everything about the Note 10 and 10 Plus.